In the heart of Kenya, nestled among the verdant Gusii highlands, lies a community rich in culture and tradition, the Abagusii. Among their most revered customs is the rite of passage known as ritongo, the ancient practice of circumcision, a journey from boyhood to manhood. Our story today unfolds in the small village of Nyangusu, where a young boy named Obia was about to embark on this transformative journey. It was a time when courage was tested and community bonds were strengthened. Obia, like his peers, had heard countless stories of the trials and triumphs of the initiation ceremony. The boys were to be secluded for a week, away from the village, in a sacred place known as Lijesa, under the guidance of the wise elder, Mzee Nyakundi. In the seclusion of the forest, the boys underwent rigorous training. They learned the virtues of bravery, resilience, and community values. Each night, around the fire, Mzee Nyakundi would share ancient stories and wisdom, preparing them for the life ahead. As the night of the circumcision ceremony approached, the atmosphere grew tense. Mzee Nyakundi told the boys about the significance of the ritual, the transition from childhood to adulthood, and the responsibilities that came with it. Mzee Nyakundi, tomorrow, you will face a great test. Remember, pain is temporary, but honor and courage will stay with you forever. At the break of dawn, the boys returned to the village for the ceremony. The air was filled with the sound of traditional songs and the rhythmic beat of drums. The community gathered to witness this profound rite of passage. With a steady hand and a heart full of courage, Obia stepped forward. The elder performed the circumcision swiftly, and not a sound escaped Obia's lips.